So guys, this is day 2 and day 3 of my incredible trip to Ghana. Right now we are literally traveling to the next city. The next city was Ada, and we were going to the Aqua Safari. For those of you who don't know, I love anything and everything to do with animals and any and everything to do with water. So I was very, very excited about this day. And as you can see, we are just passing through. The houses are many different colors. Some of them are unbuilt all the way. You see people walking with baskets on their head, as well as cars passing by. So this is the beautiful entrance to Aqua Safari. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look how beautiful this place is, guys. Guys, that's the stork that brought me to my mom and dad. He brought me from Ghana. So guys, I want you to remember this peacock because after eating lunch, I got really, really sick, and that peacock ate some of my throw up. So we're hoping now, it's been months later, that he's still alive and still kicking it. I managed to push through. That was us on our boat ride, which was absolutely filled with so many beautiful sights. In between throwing up, I was really enjoying myself. As I was enjoying this beautiful boat ride and really soaking up all the vibes and the great music and just being out on the water and letting the sun hit me, I had no idea what we had planned for later. So even though some may call it risky behavior, I decided to continue my day and go jet skiing, even though I had been throwing up and gotten really sick earlier. And as you can tell by the smile on my face, I was having the best time of my life. What this guy was looking at, not sure. And of course, managed to get a few photos in between us starting our dance class. So guys, you know I can't dance unless I have alcohol, right? Luckily, no one caught any super embarrassing videos of me attempting to learn this Azanto dance, but it was a lot of fun, and as you see, Dominique was killing it with her freestyle. But I really had a great time, and I'm so glad that we had the opportunity to partake in some African dancing.
Bend the knees, ay. Bend the knees, ay. Bend the knees, ay. Bend the knees, ay. Bend the knees, ay.
My day's been great. We did jet skiing, which was really fun, and now I'm attempting to learn how to dance, but I never so it's going. But I'm going to show you what I learned.
So I actually have a fear of dancing solo, so my ladies backed me up when it was my turn to step out. On to my favorite dining experience, Tiba! Look how beautiful this place is. I grew up in the country, so smaller, quaint areas that are just filled with love and positive energy have my name written all over them. And not to mention that this place, Tiba, the food and the drinks are off the hook. When I return, I will be coming here. So everyone knows I love tequila. Corey decided to introduce us to a chocolate tequila. And although I had been sick earlier in the day, I definitely decided to have a shot before we decided to call it a night and go to sleep. So this is now going into day 3 of Ghana, where we got up super early and we're headed to Kumasi.
So there's a lot of traffic here on Sunday.
On our way, we had a little car trouble and ended up having to stop by the side of the road. And look at this baby goat! It was so cute! This was by far one of my favorite days because I'm a super hands-on person, and today we got to experience going to the kente weaving village, and we actually were able to practice kente weaving and learn how it's done, do it ourselves, and another surprise. So this is me struggling to learn how to kente weave, and let me just tell you that it's so much more difficult with press-on nails because I did not want them to fall off. And just when you thought I had it going on,
no, you have to use the green. Use the yellow.
Oh, use the yellow.
The yellow.
How do I get it out of there?
Wait, I want to take it off. Use the yellow. So take the yellow to the side.
Okay.
You see? Then bring this down. Bring this green to the side.
Oh, okay. There's one of each on each side. I gotcha.
Okay.
guys, let me just tell you that number one, where I'm sitting is such a tight space. I'm not sure how I actually could fit, but I really was having fun. But I also was very, very focused.
Have you seen how serious you are?
Huh?
See how serious you are?
What are you saying?
I said how serious you are.
Oh. Yeah, I am serious. Because I want to do right.
Okay.
And now I stamp it.
This time. Stamp it. Yes.
And
Okay.
then what?
Then you have to change it.
So,
Change it yourself. Now. Yes. Hey, you are very intelligent.
and I come in.
Yeah, no. This side. This side. This side. That. Yes.
And then I would start again.
Yes, start again. So,
But I'm
take-
going this way.
Yeah, so now we are taking them this side.
This side.
This side. Okay.
Oh, we're leaving.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Okay. And then let's.
How do I get up? Come help me.
Wait. I'm gonna guide you.
So our next stop was a place where we could actually print on our own sashes. So this was a lot of fun for me. This part, I struggled later. Just watch.
Does anyone know where my fabric is?
No.
Once again, look at how delicately I'm pressing down on this because I do not want any of my press-on nails to pop off. Guys, oh my gosh.
That looks really nice, right?
Thank you.
The way that this works is that you pick out 3 symbols that have some sort of meaning to you. The 3 symbols that I picked out meant adaptability, confidence, and the Sankofa sign, which means return to your roots. So pay close attention. We're dipping the symbol into ink, right? Just wait. We're gonna find out how that ink is made, and I'm gonna attempt to make some.
Raise your head up, then it's smart. It's cool. Very nice.
Right turn. He said no.
Up, down, up, down.
He laughed. I'm obviously not eating, okay?
The more you leave it on fire, and the more it's coming dark and thick. This is 2 days on fire. Oh. See?
Wait a minute, let me see.
It's like brown pressure.
See? And the more you leave it on fire, this is the final one. Use it. If you don't get this thick one, yeah, it's soft, but I'm using it because I'm always touching it.
Okay, so we're gonna get burnt.
If you don't get this thick one, you can use it to make your own design.
So this is how you make the ink that we were using for the symbols. And then next, at the same village, we decided to dress up as if we were royalty. This is my final look. The garment is actually pretty heavy, but what I will say is that the heat in Africa is not like the heat here in the United States. It was not super hot there, and I could understand how somebody could actually walk around in that. And we were lucky enough to catch a picture during the golden hour. And just look at this. The sun is setting. It's beautiful. There's children outside playing football or soccer to us Americans. It just was a perfect ending to a beautiful, fun day.